Let's continue on with our look at things that we can do with the blend tool. Let's create an interesting kind of brush stroke effect, I suppose. Well, that's what I'm calling it right now. Let's make a couple of ellipses. Again, give them colors that you want. They can be different sizes. Continuing on with the pink and yellow theme. Let's create the blend. Either way, we can select both and come up to the blend make option. And we've got a nice blend between these two ellipses. So we looked at before how when we sort of kind of view the outlines there, we can see the spline or spine of the blend, and we manipulated it using our anchor point tool, which is cool. We can actually add more points to that spline vector. So let's go to the add anchor point tool and drop in a few points along there, which is kind of good. And then we can jump up and grab the direct selection tool and manipulate those, and we kind of can start to maybe think about this as a brush stroke or some kind of line to make graphics and, I don't know, possibly possibly typography or sort of logo or symbol kind of elements. It's really nice how it's kind of got this sort of built-in seam or fold there, or sort of little shadow that it builds, which is quite nice. I might go in and have a look at the blend options in the menu and reverse from front to back, and you can see you can flip that shadow or fold back the other way, change that kind of sense of depth, and again we'll flip the spine itself, which is kind of cool. The other thing that we can do is, once we've got our spine together, or once we've sort of initiated this, we can continue on drawing. So I'm going to add some points along the way. Oops. Along the way here, and we can end up sort of drawing with this interesting paintbrush. One thing that you'll notice as we stretch this out, it's starting to get a little bit jaggy around the edges, and that's because it's using the same amount of intervals as we started off, so it's sort of stretching them out a little bit. We can fix that up by going into the options, the blend options, and changing it from smooth color to specified steps, and really ramping that up, maybe doubling that. And it's looking better again. Maybe you need a few more. But yeah, fix that up, and we can kind of use this as a drawing tool or a brush.